It started like any other ride, until he saw it. A fire, hidden in plain sight. The trucker, completely unaware. Time is running out. Can he get the trucker to stop before it's too late? Finally, the driver understands. He climbs out, and what he sees stops him in his tracks. No fire extinguisher, no way to call for help. What do you do when the flames won't wait? With no time to waste, they make a desperate plan. 2 bottles. Just 2 bottles. Will it be enough? Or is this fight already lost? Against all odds, the fire is out. 2 strangers. 2 bottles. One incredible moment. What would you have done in their place? Let us know in the comments.